Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Integration of 1 upon square root of a square minus x square dx is sin inverse of x by a plus c. I already told you, whenever you have a square minus x square, substitution is either x equal to a sin theta or x equal to a cos theta. Okay, by putting x equal to a sin theta, dx equal to what? A cos theta d theta. So numerator dx is a cos theta d theta. Okay, a cos theta d theta upon square root of a square minus x square. X square is what? A square sin square theta. A square sin square theta. By taking a square common here, a square into 1 minus sin square. Okay, 1 minus sin square is cos square. So a square cos square theta under square root. So square and square root cancel. A cos theta d theta. A cancel, cos theta cancel. Integration of d theta. Integration of d theta is theta plus c. What is theta here? As x is equal to a sin theta, theta is equal to sin inverse of x by a. Okay. So sin inverse of x by a plus c. Okay. First of all, substitute x is equal to a sin theta, dx equal to a cos theta d theta. So numerator dx is a cos theta d theta. Denominator is square root of a square minus x square. X square is a square sin square theta. A square common. A square into 1 minus sin square. 1 minus sin square is cos square. So a square into cos square under square root. Okay. So it will be a cos theta. Okay. A cancel, cos theta cancel. Integration of d theta is theta plus c. So theta is sin inverse of x by a. So sin inverse of x by a plus c. So integration of 1 upon square root of a square minus x square dx is sin inverse of x by a plus c. Okay. Next formula, integration of 1 upon square root of x square plus a square. 1 upon square root of x square plus a square dx is log mod x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. Okay. Here we'll put x is equal to a tan theta. I already told you, whenever you have x square plus a square form, put x is equal to either a tan theta or a cot theta. Whenever you have a square minus x square, put x is equal to a sin theta or a cos theta. Whenever you have x square minus a square, put x is equal to a secant theta or a cosecant theta. Okay. Now by putting x equal to a tan theta, dx equal to what? A secant square theta d theta. So in place of numerator, what we will get? A secant square theta d theta upon square root of x square. X square is what? A square tan square theta plus a square. So from these two, a square common. Okay, square root of a square into 1 plus tan square. 1 plus tan square is secant square. So square root of a square secant square theta is a secant theta. So a cancel, 1 secant cancel. Okay, so integration of secant theta d theta. Okay, integration of secant theta is what? Log mod secant theta plus tan theta plus constant. Okay, now log mod square root of tan theta is what? X by a. So in this place tan theta will write x by a. Okay, secant theta is square root of 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square. Tan is nothing but x by a. Tan theta is x by a. It's a square. X by a whole square. Okay. So log mod square root of x square upon a square plus 1 under root by taking LCM. LCM is a square, square root of x square plus a square by square root of a square. Square root of a square is a only, no? By taking LCM, overall LCM, it will be a. Okay. So numerator will be log mod x plus square root of x square plus a square. Okay. Denominator is a. So log a by b is log a minus log b we can write. Okay. So this is some constant, this is some constant. Sum and difference of constant is some constant only, let it be c. Okay. So final answer is log mod x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. Okay. So this is integration of 1 upon square root of a square plus x square or x square plus a square dx is log mod x plus square root of x square plus a square plus some constant. Okay. But these are the formulas. Now using these formulas we will solve different types of questions, different models of questions. Okay. One such model is integration of 1 upon quadratic. Okay, find the integration of 1 upon some quadratic function. Okay, some quadratic function. Okay, integration of 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, now first of all ax square plus bx plus c. Now this concept already we discussed in quadratic equations. Now ax square plus bx plus c, by taking a common from all the terms, a into x square plus b by a into x plus c by a. Okay, here multiply and divide with 2. So what we get? 2 into b by 2a x, okay, plus c by a. So to make it as a perfect square, I will add b square by 4a square and I will subtract b square by 4a square. So what we get is a into x plus b by 2a whole square plus c by a minus b square upon 4a square. Now by taking this has some other variable t, what it is, x plus b by 2a as t, and this is c by a minus b square by 4a square. This is constant, let it be some other constant k square plus or minus k square. So dx equal to what we get? dt. So this integration what we can write, integration of 1 by ax square plus bx plus c dx equal to 1 by a integration of 1 upon t square plus k square or t square minus k square. So how we will write is some constant into integration of 1 upon sum of squares or difference of squares we will write. Okay, either it will be integration of 1 upon x square minus a square form or x square plus a square form, something like this you get. Okay, now we know all the formulas, so using those formulas we will simplify. Similarly, you may have integration of 1 upon square root of ax square plus bx plus c. So similarly, similar method, but here you get a square root. Okay, integration of 1 upon square root of t square plus k square or square root of t square minus k square. For that also we have formula, direct formula. Okay, we will apply formula. Okay, this is one model. Okay, last model is integration of some linear function in numerator and quadratic function in denominator. Okay, linear function in numerator and quadratic function in denominator. Linear function in numerator and quadratic function in denominator. So what here p, q, a, b, c all are constants. Okay. Now for this what we will do is working rule, we have a working rule, that is numerator, linear part, linear part, px plus q, will write it as a into a and b are constants, we will find a and b. Okay, a into derivative of this quadratic part, plus some constant, derivative of quadratic part plus some constant. Okay, now derivative of ax square plus bx plus c is what? 2ax plus b. So px plus q is equal to a into 2ax plus b plus capital B. Now to find out a and b, what we will do? Compare quotient of x on both sides. By comparing quotient of x, p equal to 2 a, small a into capital A. From here we can find capital A. Similarly, by comparing constant, so what we have, q is equal to a into small b plus b. Now using these two conditions we will find a and b and then we will simplify. Okay, you may have px plus q upon square root of ax square plus bx plus c also. Okay, that method also similar method. Okay, next, but these are the formulas and different forms. We'll discuss problems on this concept. Okay. Now we'll discuss some examples. So integration of 1 upon x square minus 16 dx. Now 1 upon x square minus 16. 16 is 4 square. So 1 upon integration of x square minus 4 square dx. Now this is of the form integration of 1 by x square minus a square dx. Integration of 1 by x square minus a square dx is 1 by 2a log mod x minus a upon x plus a plus c. So in place of a what we have 4. 1 by 2 into 4 into log mod x minus 4 upon x plus 4 plus c. Okay. If you want you can write one more step, that is 1 by 8 into log mod x minus 4 upon x plus 4 plus c. Okay. Next question. Integration of 1 upon square root of 2x minus x square dx. First of all, I will add 1 and subtract 1. Okay, add 1 and subtract 1 and taking minus common. So what we can write, integration of 1 upon square root of 1 minus x minus 1 whole square dx. Even if you expand here, x square minus 2x plus 1. This whole part is minus 1, multiply with minus x square plus 2x minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel, again we will get this part only. Okay. Now by putting x minus 1 is equal to t. So dx equal to what? dt. So this reduces to integration of 1 upon square root of 1 minus t square dt. Now this is a standard formula. Integration of 1 upon square root of a square minus x square dx is sin inverse of x by a. So here also if you apply same formula, okay, sin inverse of t by 1, okay, nothing but sin inverse of t plus constant. What is t? T is x minus 1, okay. So sin inverse of x minus 1 plus c. Okay. Here first of all what we did, adding 1 and subtracting 1. Okay. So what we get, integration of 1 upon square root of 1 minus x minus 1 whole square dx. So by putting x minus 1 equal to t, now this question reduces to standard form. Okay. X minus 1 equal to t, dx equal to dt. So integration of 1 upon square root of 1 minus t square dt. So integration of 1 upon square root of 1 minus t square is sin inverse t plus c. Sin inverse of what is t? X minus 1. Okay, sin inverse of x minus 1 plus c. Now we will start exercise 7.4. Already we discussed formulas related to these concepts. Now first question, integral of 3x square upon 1 plus x power 6 dx. Okay. Here if you observe 3x square in numerator, it is a derivative of x cube, no? 3x square is the derivative of x cube. So what I will do is I will put x cube equal to t. X cube equal to t. What is the advantage? Now x cube derivative 3x square, x derivative dx, t derivative dt. So 3x square dx we can write as dt. So our question, integration of 3x square upon 1 plus x power 6 dx reduces to, now 3x square dx write as dt upon 1 plus x power 6. X power 6 we can write as x cube whole square. So x cube we consider as t, no? So 1 plus t square. So denominator is 1 plus t square. Okay. So this question reduces to integration of 1 upon 1 plus t square dt. This is a direct formula. Integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square dx is tan inverse x. So here integration of 1 upon 1 plus t square dt is tan inverse t plus c. But what is t? T is x cube. So final answer is tan inverse of x cube plus c. What we did, first of all, we consider x cube as t, 3x square dx as dt. So numerator becomes dt, denominator becomes 1 plus t square. Okay, integration of 1 upon 1 plus t square dt is tan inverse t plus c. What is t? T is x cube. So tan inverse of x cube plus c. Okay. Next question, integral of 1 upon square root of 1 plus 2x whole square dx. Okay. Now I will put 2x is equal to t. 2x equal to t. Now derivative 2 x derivative dx, 2 dx equal to dt. So dx becomes half dt. So question reduces to, this question reduces to integration of 1 upon square root of 1 plus 2x whole square dx reduces to dx is half dt, no? So half dt integration of 1 upon square root of 1 plus 2x is t. So 1 plus t square. And this is a direct integration formula. Direct formula we have integration of 1 upon square root of 1 plus x square dx is log mod x plus square root of 1 plus x square. So similarly in place of x we have t. So half log mod t plus square root of 1 plus t square plus c. What is t? T is 2x. So in place of t write 2x. So final answer will be half log mod 2x plus square root of 1 plus 4x square plus c. Okay. Here simple thing, I have to put 2x equal to t. Substitute 2x equal to t, 2dx equal to dt, dx equal to half dt. So question reduces to half integration of 1 upon square root of 1 plus t square dt, that is a direct formula, half log mod t plus square root of 1 plus t square plus c, okay, where t is 2x. Next question, integral of 1 upon square root of 2x 1 upon square root of 2 minus x whole square plus 1 dx. Okay. To write in the standard form, what I will do is I will put 2 minus x is equal to t. So derivative, constant derivative 0, minus x derivative minus dx equal to dt. So question reduces to, so dx will be what? Minus dt. So in place of dx I will write minus dt. Okay. Integration of minus dt upon square root of 2 minus x we consider as t, no? So t square plus 1. And again this is a standard formula, that is this minus I will write outside, minus of integral dt upon square root of 1 plus t square is minus of log mod t plus square root of t square plus 1 plus c. Okay, but what is t? T is 2 minus x. So by substituting in place of t 2 minus x minus log mod 2 minus x plus square root of 2 minus x whole square plus 1 plus c. Okay. Now this inside quantity 2 minus x whole square is a minus b whole square form. Okay, expansion is x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 5. So this is minus of log mod 2 minus x plus square root of x square minus 4x plus 5 plus c. Okay. Now minus this quotient comes as power here, exponent. Okay. So log mod 2 minus x plus square root of x square minus 4x plus 5 power minus 1. Power minus 1 means a power minus 1 means 1 by a. So 1 by this quantity. So log mod 1 upon 2 minus x plus square root of x square minus 4x plus 5 plus c. Okay. Now here by putting 2 minus x equal to t, we got minus dx equal to dt, dx equal to minus dt. So quotient reduces to minus dt upon square root of t square plus 1. Okay, minus outside is integration of 1 upon square root of t square plus 1 dt is log mod t plus square root of t square plus 1 plus c. This minus as it is, minus will continue. Okay, minus log mod. What is t? T is 2 minus x. So 2 minus x plus square root of 2 minus x whole square plus 1 plus c. Okay, minus log mod 2 minus x. Now if you expand this one, x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 1. So minus log mod 2 minus x plus square root of x square minus 4x plus 5 plus c. Okay. Now this quotient comes as exponent here. Okay, nothing but a power minus 1, that you can write as 1 by a. So final answer is log mod 1 upon 2 minus x plus square root of x square minus 4x plus 5 plus c. Okay. Next question. Next question is integral of 1 upon square root of 9 minus 25 x square dx. Okay. 9 we can write as 3 square minus 25 x square. 25 x square we can write as 5x whole square. Now this is of the form integration of 1 upon a square minus x square dx. Directly you can write formula, or first of all I will put, to write in a standard form, I will put 5x as t. 5x as t, so 5 dx equal to dt. So dx equal to what? 1 by 5 dt. So quotient reduces to integration of 1 upon square root of 3 square minus 5x whole square dx reduces to dx is what? 1 upon 5 dt. So 1 upon 5 dt square root of 3 square minus t square. Already we know the formula, integration of 1 upon square root of a square minus x square is sin inverse of x by a. So using that formula, this is 1 upon 5 sin inverse of t upon 3 plus c. But what is t? T is 5x, no? So final answer is 1 upon 5 sin inverse of 5x upon 3 plus c. Okay. Now by putting 5x equal to t, 5 dx is dt, dx equal to 1 by 5 dt. Question reduces to 1 by 5 dt upon 1 by 5 dt upon square root of 3 square minus t square. Okay, this is a standard formula. Okay, standard formula 1 upon 5 sin inverse of t by 3 plus c. Okay, but t is 5x. By putting t equal to 5, t value 5x, we get the answer 1 upon 5 sin inverse of 5x upon 3 plus c. Okay. Next question, 3x upon integration of 3x upon 1 plus 2x power 4 dx. If you observe, we have 3x, linear power of x. So linear power of x, x power 1, it is a derivative of x power 2, no? So x power 2 its derivative is, suppose x square derivative 2x, okay? So x power 1 means it is a derivative of x power 2. So what I will write here is a denominator 1 plus 2x power 4, I will write this as root 2 x square whole square, root 2 x square whole square. So root 2 x square whole square is root 2 square is 2, x square whole square is x power 4. Okay. Now 1 plus root 2 x square whole square. Now I will consider root 2 x square as t, root 2 x square as t. What is the advantage? Root 2 constant as t is x square derivative 2x, no? So 2 root 2 x dx equal to dt. So x dx equal to what? 1 by 2 root 2 dt. So this question 3 I will write outside, x dx upon 1 plus root 2 x square whole square is equal to x dx what we can write here? X dx we can write as 1 by 2 root 2 dt. So dt upon 2 root 2, denominator is 1 plus root 2 x square, root 2 x square what we consider? Root 2 x square will consider as t. So 1 plus t square. Now 1 upon 1 plus t square dt, 1 upon 1 plus t square dt, this is standard form, that is its integration is what? Tan inverse of t. Okay. So 3 upon 2 root 2 tan inverse t plus c. But what is t? T is root 2 x square, no? So what we get final answer? 3 upon 2 root 2 tan inverse of root 2 x square plus c. Okay. Now here first of all 2x power 4, 2x power 4, how I am writing? 2x power 4 I am writing it as root 2 x square whole square. Okay. What is the advantage? By taking root 2 x square as t, root 2 x square as t, okay, 2 root 2 x dx is dt. So x dx you can write as 1 by 2 root 2 dt. Okay. So given question is 3x upon 1 plus 2x power 4 dx, that you can write as 3 outside, 3 into x dx upon 1 plus root 2 x square whole square. So x dx is this quantity 1 upon 2 root 2 dt, okay, and root 2 x square is t, so 1 plus t square in the denominator. So this is integration of 1 upon 1 plus t square dt, standard form, okay. Its integration is tan inverse of t. But what is t? T is root 2 x square. So 3 upon 2 root 2 tan inverse of root 2 x square plus c. Okay. Next question, integral of x square upon 1 minus x power 6 dx. Now x square is derivative of x cube, no? X square is a derivative of x cube. So what I will do is I will put x cube is t. Okay, I will put x cube as t. Now x cube derivative 3x square, x derivative dx equal to t derivative dt. So 3x square dx equal to dt. So x square dx equal to what? 1 by 3 dt. So given question, x square dx upon 1 minus x power 6 I will write as x cube whole square. Now it reduces to x square dx is 1 by 3 dt. So 1 by 3 dt upon 1 minus x cube is t, no? So 1 minus t square. So this is of the form 1 by 3 into integration of 1 upon 1 square, you can write 1 as 1 square, no, 1 square minus t square. So this is the integration of 1 upon a square minus x square. Okay, integration of 1 upon a square minus x square. Okay, 1 upon a square minus x square dx, or else integration of 1 upon a square minus x square dx is 1 by 2a log mod a plus x upon a minus x. So using that formula, okay, here a square is 1 square, a value is 1, no? So 1 by 3 into 1 by 2a, 1 by 2 into a value is 1, 1 by 2 into 1 into log mod a plus t upon a minus t plus c. Okay, a value 1. Okay, so what we get here? 1 by 6 log mod 1 plus t. What is t? T is x cube. Okay, 1 plus x cube upon 1 minus x cube plus c. Okay, here numerator is x square, which is a derivative of x cube. So I'll put x cube equal to t, x cube equal to t, 3x square dx as dt, x square dx as 1/3 of dt. So given question reduces like this, x square dx as 1/3 of dt. Okay, denominator 1 minus x power 6 as 1 minus x cube whole square. Okay, 1 minus x cube is t, no, 1 minus t square. So 1 minus t square in denominator, that you can write as 1 square minus t square. This is of the form integration of 1 upon a square minus x square. Okay, 1 by 2a log mod a plus x upon a minus x. So 1 by 2 into 1 into log mod 1 plus t upon 1 minus t plus c. Okay, what is t? T is x cube. So in place of t, write x cube. Next question, next one, integral of secant square x dx in numerator, denominator is square root of 4 plus tan square x. Okay, secant square x dx, it is a derivative of tan, no? So I'll put tan x equal to t. So tan x equal to t, tan x derivative is what? Secant square x derivative dx, t derivative dt. So secant square x dx, what we can write? Dt. So given question reduces to numerator secant square x dx is dt, tan x is t, so square root of t square plus 4 in denominator. So it is of the form integration of 1 upon square root of t square plus a square. Okay, that is direct formula log mod t plus square root of t square plus a square plus c. Okay, log mod, what is t? T is tan x, no? So tan x plus square root of tan square x plus 4 plus c. Okay, simply by putting tan x equal to t, secant square x dx as dt. So numerator part, entire numerator part is dt, denominator is square root of t square plus 4, t square plus 2 square, that is integration of 1 upon square root of t square plus 2 square dt, that is log mod t plus square root of t square plus 2 square plus c. Okay, t is tan x, we are putting t equal to tan x, we get the final answer as log mod tan x plus square root of tan square x plus 4 plus c. Okay, next question, integral of x minus 1 upon square root of x square minus 1 dx. Okay, this integration, first of all I will separate x upon square root of x square minus 1 dx minus 1 upon square root of x square minus 1 dx. Okay, we will write like this. Now integration of this part is nothing but integration of this part minus integration of this part. Okay, first of all this part integration. Okay, now for integral x upon square root of x square minus 1 dx, x is differentiation of x square only, no? So first of all I will take this denominator part, okay, under root part, that is x square minus 1 as t, x square minus 1 as t. What is the advantage? X square derivative 2x minus 1 derivative 0. Okay, so x square derivative 2x dx equal to dt. So x dx equal to what? Half dt. X dx is half dt. Now this question reduces to, okay, x dx upon square root of x square minus 1, x dx is half dt upon square root of x square minus 1 is t, so square root of t. Now half square root of t in denominator, if you write in numerator, that will be t power minus 1 by 2. So half integral t power minus 1 by 2 dt. So it is x power n integration form. Okay, now t power n integration is what? T power n integration is t power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is plus 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 cancel. So this integral is what? This integral is t power 1 by 2. Nothing but root t. Root t is nothing but root of x square minus 1. Second part is integral 1 upon square root of x square minus 1 dx. So integral 1 upon square root of x square minus 1 x integral 1 upon square root of x square minus 1 dx. This is direct formula, that is log mod x plus square root of x square minus 1. Okay. So this integral value is difference of these two integrals. So this integral value is here and this integral value is here. Okay. So this integral value, how much we got? Square root of x square minus 1. So square root of x square minus 1 minus this integral value is what? Log mod x plus square root of x square minus 1 plus some constant c. Okay. Now here we are separating as two integrals. Okay. So integral of x minus 1 upon square root of x square minus 1 dx, we will write as integral of x upon square root of x square minus 1 dx minus integral of 1 upon square root of x square minus 1 dx. Okay, first of all, for this integral, okay, for this part, put x square minus 1 as t, 2x dx as dt, x dx as half dt. Okay, half dt. So this is half dt upon this value is t, no, square root of t. So half square 1 upon square root of t will write as t power minus 1 by 2 dt. Now t power n integration, t power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 form. So t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 get cancelled. T power 1 by 2 nothing but root t. So square root of x square minus 1. Okay, so this integration is the square root of x square minus 1. Okay, this is a direct formula. This is a direct formula. Integral of 1 upon square root of x square minus 1 dx is log mod x plus square root of x square minus 1. Okay, so this integral is difference of these two integrals. So square root of x square minus 1 minus log mod x plus square root of x square minus 1 plus c. Next question. Integral of x square upon square root of x power 6 plus a power 6 dx. Numerator is x power 2. Now x power 2 is a derivative of x cube, no? So what I will do, I will put x power 6 as x power 3 whole power 2 and I will consider x power 3 as t. By putting x power 3 as t, x cube derivative 3x square, x derivative dx equal to dt. So x square 3x square dx equal to dt, no? So this given question, this question I'll write like this, multiply and divide with 3. So half 1/3 of 3x square dx upon square root of x cube whole square plus a cube whole square. Okay, so 1 upon 3, 3x square dx is what? Dt. So dt upon square root of x cube is t, no? So t square plus a cube whole square. It is of the form integral of 1 upon square root of t square plus a square. So direct formula. Okay, standard formula, that is this 1 by 3 as it is log mod t plus square root of t square plus a power 6. Okay, but what is t? T is x cube. So 1/3 of log mod x cube plus square root of x power 6 plus a power 6 plus c. Okay, here simply take x cube equal to t, 3x square dx as dt. So this integration reduces to 1/3 of dt upon square root of t square plus a cube whole square. Okay, so direct formula 1/3 of log mod t plus square root of t square plus a power 6, where t is equal to x cube. Next question. Integral of 1 upon square root of x square plus 2x plus 2. Okay, and this 2 I will write as 1 plus 1 up to here x square plus 2x plus 1, x square plus 2x plus 1, what we can write, x square plus 2x plus 1 is x plus 1 whole square, no? So 1 plus x plus 1 whole square in denominator. Okay, now I will put x plus 1 as t. By putting x plus 1 as t, dx equal to dt. So this part reduces as integral of 1 upon square root of 1 plus t square dt. This is a direct integration formula. Integration of 1 upon square root of 1 plus t square is log mod t plus square root of t square plus 1 plus c. But what is t? T is x plus 1. By putting t equal to x plus 1, log mod x plus 1 plus square root of x plus 1 whole square plus 1 plus c. If you expand, this is x plus 1 whole square is x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 1 is there. So overall answer is log mod x plus 1 plus square root of x square plus 2x plus 2 plus c. Okay. Next question. Integral 1 upon 9x square plus 6x plus 5, 1 upon 9x square, what we can write? 3x whole square plus 6x we can write as 2 into 3x, 5 I will write as 1 plus 4. What is the advantage? Now first 3 terms in the denominator, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what we can write this part? 3x plus 1 whole square, 4 as 2 square. Now what is the advantage? Advantage is we put 3x plus 1 as t, 3x plus 1 as t, okay. We differentiate 3 dx. 3 dx is equal to dt. 3 dx equal to dt. So dx equal to what? 1/3 of dt. So this part reduce it as integral of 1 upon 3x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square dx equal to, dx is 1/3 of dt, no? So 1/3 of dt upon this is t. So t square plus 2 square. So it is integral of 1 upon a square plus x square form, okay, that is 1 by a, that is 1 by 2 tan inverse of x by a, means tan inverse of t by 2 plus c, okay. So, but what is t? T is 3x plus 1. So here 1 upon 3, 1 upon 2 product is 1 upon 6 tan inverse of 3x plus 1 upon 2 plus c, okay. So here given denominator part, how we are reducing? 9x square as 3x whole square, 6x as 2 into 3x plus 5 as 1 plus 4. So first 3 terms in the denominator, a square plus 2ab plus b square form, a plus b whole square, that is 3x plus 1 whole square plus 4 as 2 square. Okay, by putting 3x plus 1 as t, 3 dx equal to dt, dx equal to 1/3 of dt. So our question reduces to 1/3 of 1 upon t square plus 2 square. Okay, so this part integration 1 by a, that is 1 by 2 tan inverse of t by a, t by 2 plus c. What is t? T is 3x plus 1, okay. So 1/3 and 1/2 is product is 1 by 6 tan inverse of 3x plus 1 upon 2 plus c.